Embark on a journey, not of distance, but within the essence of your being. Welcome to the tranquil world of yoga, a sanctuary where physical and spiritual realms converge, revealing the serene balance between movement and stillness. This ancient practice transcends physical exercises, symbolizing a transformative quest toward comprehensive well-being. It harmonizes the body, mind, and soul, teaching us the significance of breath, movement, and mindfulness. In exploring the vast landscape of yoga, we unveil its myriad benefits, enhancing flexibility, strength, and mental clarity, while reducing stress for a healthier, fulfilled life. Yoga invites us on a transformative path of enlightenment, self-discovery, and growth, leading us to refine our entire beings. As we tailor our journey, we develop a profound connection with ourselves, ready to navigate initial challenges toward tranquility and improved well-being. In every transformative journey like that of yoga, initial challenges are inevitable. The first steps, often marked by struggles from mastering simple poses to achieving steady breath, are vital for progress. Remember, it's in these moments of discomfort that growth finds its roots. The path might be sprinkled with questions and hurdles, but these are mere stepping stones towards self-improvement. Embracing change and confronting discomfort pave the way to a new perspective on wellness and personal achievement. As we progress, watch how these early experiences morph into milestones, guiding you towards a deeper balance and inner strength. The journey's challenges transform into wellsprings of serenity and resilience. Let's embrace these trials together, stepping into a transformative quest for a healthier, mindful self. Deeper into our yoga journey, mastering the basics becomes our focus. The essence of breathing and the anatomy of poses form the foundation of practice. Breathing transforms from mere sustenance to the source of calm and focus, while basic poses forge paths to balance, strength, and flexibility. This cornerstone is transformative, merging intention with action. Each conscious breath and determined pose draws us nearer to yoga's promised harmony. This segment emphasizes experiencing the profound effects of these practices. With every inhale, imbue your being with potential. With each transition, witness your body's growth. These basics are not just the groundwork for advanced techniques, but a new approach to life's adversities, promising an even more inspiring path ahead. Venturing deeper, we discover an inner sanctuary where meditation bridges us to unparalleled peace. This practice brings mindfulness and tranquility, reinforcing our yoga journey. Meditation extends beyond silence. It's a profound connection to our core existence, enhancing concentration, reducing stress, and deepening awareness of our emotional and physical states. Integrating meditation transcends our practice, enriching our resolve to navigate life's challenges with grace. Carrying forward the lessons from the stillness, we're reminded that the path to inner peace is ever present, within reach. Let's embrace meditation's transformative gift, cultivating a lifelong haven of peace. Approaching our narrative's horizon, we find not an end, but a new dawn. This journey, rooted in yoga's transformative power, illustrates your commitment to growth and well-being. Through every pose and breath, you've unveiled inner strength and tranquility, embarking on a continuous exploration of your inner self. This isn't a conclusion, but an invitation to pursue your practice, with each session offering new insights. Embrace this endless journey, carrying the lessons and serenity yoga instills. Keep exploring, growing, and breathing deeply. Your path of personal evolution through yoga is a boundless quest. Namaste.